That's my 2017 STI. I installed the Cobb SF intake on it. Kind of cheap for what you paid for it, but I'm gonna see if we can. I already installed it, but I'm gonna take. I also have the Cobb access port with the stage 1 plus SF tune on normal wastegate, which is what Cobb told me to run with the intake that I bought from him. I asked him if I should use the normal wastegate or high wastegate, and they told me to go with the normal wastegate with the elevation that I'm at. So once I get out and on the road here, I'm gonna pull the video back up and see if we can't hear what it sounds like. Alright, I'm about to pull out on the road here. Hopefully my camera will pick up the sound if there is any. I'm using my phone, which kind of sucks, but we'll see. Definitely can hear turbo spool and the recirculatory. Sounds pretty good. As far as power goes, I'm not sure if it's going to change anything with the power. I don't have enough area to get going, really get in boost, but sounds pretty good. I like it. Sorry for the crappy video quality, but I'm gonna try to get a catless downpipe put on it and get a Pro Tune and see what kind of difference that makes. But I'll post up some more videos after I get that installed, and maybe I might do some street highway pulls and see if I can feel any kind of difference just from the intake.